Now we're going to see about the Numpy. So Numpy stands for numerical Python. So Numpy is nothing but a numerical Python. So it is a Python library used for working with array. Numpy is the fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. It also has functions for working in domain of linear algebra, Fourier transform and matrices. It all will help for the mathematical things. So it was created in 2005 by Travis Oliphant. It is an open source project and you can use it freely. Okay, now let us see why we use Numpy. In Python we have lists that serve the purpose of array, but they are slow process. So we prefer Numpy here. So Numpy aims to provide an array object that is up to 50 times faster than traditional Python list. So for the faster output and fast time efficiency, we prefer Numpy. So the array object in Numpy is called ND array. It is denoted by ND array. It provides a lot of supporting functions that make working with the ND array very easy. Arrays are very frequently used in data science where speed and resources are very important. So we prefer Numpy. Why is Numpy faster than list? So we all are raised with the question, why Numpy is faster than list? What is the difference? So let us see that. Numpy arrays are stored at one continuous place in memory unit, unlike list. So process can access and manipulate them very efficiently. This behavior is called locality of reference in computer science. So this is the main reason why Numpy is faster than list. Also, it is optimized to work with the latest CPU architectures. Arrays in Numpy. So an array is nothing but a collection of values organized in a specific order. So Numpy's main object is the homogeneous multi-dimensional array. So it is a same data type with multi-dimensional array, that is 3D array, all those things. It is a table of elements, usually numbers, all of the same type indexed by a tuple of positive integers. So in Numpy, the dimensions are called axes. The number of axes is rank. As we all know, they have dimensions, so each and every things will be dimensions will be said to be axis. Numpy's array class is called ND array. As you all know that Numpy is denoted by ND array. It is known as alias array. So when you see the image here, it showcases the one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array and three-dimensional array. Here axis is now one-dimensional array. An array that has zero-dimensional arrays as its element is called unidimensional or one-dimensional array. These are the most common and basic arrays, as we all know from the beginning of your schooling, all those data types that are first one-dimensional array in mathematics, everything. So how we can connect that one-dimensional array in a program? So as we all know that Numpy is denoted by NP. So Numpy is a package which is available in the Python. Now we need to import that package. So here we import Numpy as NP. And again we need to create an array that is one dimension. So array is equal to np.array. We assign the values of array here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When we print the array, it will print the one-dimensional array. So next is the two-dimensional array. An array that has one-dimensional array as its elements is called a two-dimensional array. They are often used to represent matrix. So as we all familiar with the matrix, so this array is said to be a kind of matrix array. So import Numpy as NP. As usual, we have to import the Numpy packages. And here we create array index of 0, 1 and array index of 0, 2, array index of 0, 3, like that. So here we created the two matrix, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So we print that array in a matrix format. As we all know, very much familiar with the matrix. And then three-dimensional array. An array that has a two-dimensional array as its elements is called three-dimensional array. These are often used to represent the third order tensor. So as usual, we'll import the Numpy, and here we create an array with three-dimensional array that is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it will print the array in a three-dimensional. So how to initialize an array? So np.array with values is said to be a one-dimensional array. np.array a values separated by comma and other values is said to be a two-dimensional array. So to set a range of array, we denote that np.arrange start value, stop value and step value. So we all familiar with the step value which is used to skip. np dot line space 0 comma 2 comma 9. It's nothing but add evenly spaced values between intervals to an array of a length. np dot zeros 1 comma 2. Create an array filled with zeros. np dot ones. This is nothing but create an array filled with ones. Random dot random 5 comma 5. Create random array. Empty is nothing but create an empty array. So these are the array properties. Syntax array dot shape, it is nothing but the dimension, rows and columns. Len of array is nothing but length of the array. Array dot end time is nothing but number of array dimensions, whether one dimensional array, two dimensional array or three dimensional array. Array dot size is nothing but number of array elements. Array dot d type is nothing but a data type what we are going to store in that array. Type of array is nothing but type, which type of array is this, one dimensional or two dimensional or three dimensional array. So how will we copy and sorting in array? Sort, it is sorting, sorting, sorting. So np dot copy array, that creates a copy of an array. Array dot sort is nothing but sort an array. Array dot sort axis is equal to 0. It sorts axis of an array. This is about NumPy.